The Sorento Hybrid has been optimized for the 2023 model year with 2 repackaged trim levels. While the S trim has been discontinued, the Sorento Hybrid is now available in an all-new range-topping SXP trim, which comes standard with Kia's AWD system with center-locking differential and drive mode select with snow mode. Other standard features on the SXP include 17-inch alloy wheels, LED fog lamps, smart power tailgate, 12.3-inch digital cluster, perforated leather seats, Bose premium audio system, navigation smart cruise control, curve, forward collision avoidance assist, surround view monitor, blind view monitor, parking distance warning, front and rear, and second row captain's chairs. The EX remains in the trim lineup and gains an 8-way power front passenger seat and a frameless rear view mirror.